What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Quick video for you today. So a couple of items, actually one item, it's a pair. And I think it's something that we all need, and you'll know what I mean. Stick around for that. If you own an Infiniti car, maybe even a Nissan car, I know you're gonna want these. I know you're gonna need these. I know you have a trunk lid that is slamming on your head. Your wife or daughter is constantly slamming it. We got some replacement deck lids, struts. Let's put these suckers in. About a year, finally got them. Only like 20 bucks. See, it's heavy to lift. And the thing, of course, slams. Damn it. So do one at a time so it doesn't fall on your head. Pay attention to how it goes in. You just need to pop this little clip out with a flathead screwdriver. Pull them off. And there you go. One-handed. Okay, I couldn't quite do it one-handed, but you see what pops right off. Easy. This is the same. Bam. Now, people were saying that they're tough to get on. You have to stretch them or push the deck lid back even further to get them fit. They seem like they're the same length, but we'll see. See how they go on. So same thing with the new one. Loosen that little clip or push it up, and it will pull those little pins back and mount this in first. So the top is on. Again, it pops right in. Easy. And this is where they're saying you have to push it back because, see, it's a little bit long. That's okay. So you just have to push the trunk lid a little bit back and it'll line up. One side. Both clips up. Little clips are pulled back on the inside. Again, these bottom ones are super close. So you just have to push a little bit. It's not a big deal. There we go. 2 done. Maybe 5 minutes. See how it works. No slamming. So it lifts up really nice, and you don't have to worry about it slamming. The only thing is now you actually have to push it down, which I don't like having to do because I don't want to touch the paint. I guess there's a give and take. Well, easy enough job. It only took a few minutes, and I know you need them. I know everybody that owns these Infinitis needs these things. You don't want that trunk lid slamming on your head or having your wife or daughter constantly slam it. So it's a nice, easy, inexpensive fix. A link to the products in the description below. There's nothing like having a nicely modified, good running car, but then have some subpar parts. I've been waiting to change these deck lid struts out for several months. Finally got to it, and I'm glad I did, because we want everything. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll definitely be more than happy to answer them or try to help you come up with some answers. So there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really, really appreciate your support. 3,000 subscribers by the first of the year. I know we can get there. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.